Welcome back to the Purple Tulip workshop. I'm your host Shipra, and today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to make a triple crochet, also known as a treble crochet. So let's get started. We're going to start by making a slip knot. And for a triple crochet, we require to add a +3. So I'm going to take a width for this particular swatch as 10, and I will add the +3. I'll make my foundation chain of 13. So I've got my foundation chain of 13. And now we're going to be working on the 4th chain. So that's the 4th. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be working on the back loops of the 4th chain. I'm going to now put the yarn over twice my hook. Insert my hook in the back loop of the 4th chain like this. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second set of the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last set of 2 loops like this. So I'm going to show that to you again. So now I'm just going to work through the end of this particular row, and I will come back. So we're back. I'm just working on the last loop now. I'm inserting the hook, yarn through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second set of 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last set of 2 loops. And as we did a +3 for the turning chain over here, we're going to do chain 3. Going to turn our work around, and then we'll do yarn over our hook twice, put our hook through the second loop, not the first one, because we already have a chain in it. So this is our first treble crochet. Then we will just do the second treble crochet. We'll work through on the second chain, pull through the yarn over, pull through the first set of 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second set of 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last set of 2 loops. So this is how the treble crochet is done. I'm just going to come to the end of this particular second row as well, and then I'll show you how to move forward from there. I've come to the last loop over here. So I've got my yarn over twice. I'll insert my hook in here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. And then to work on the third row, we'll just do chain 3 and continue our work around. I'm gonna place in my marker here, so you can see how the treble crochet looks like. We have these towers, you call them as posts as well. So this particular type of stitch is also used, just like we use the double crochet, we use the triple crochet as well, for any projects which have a length required to be built in. So you can use this type of a stitch then. I'm going to just go ahead and work on the third row, and then I'm going to come till the end over here because this is the tricky turning point. I'm just going to work on this third row and come back and show you how to work on this last stitch over here. So now I'm on the last stitch of this particular third row. I've got my yarn over twice, and now we're going to be working on this loop, the +3 chain that we did over here. So fern 1, 2, 3. So on the third loop we're going to insert our hook. It's a little bit tricky. There we go. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And this is how you work on the turning points. I'm going to now just do another row to complete the swatch, and I'll come back at the end of that particular row. I've just finished my 4th row, so we're just going to finish the swatch by just doing a chain 1. We'll pull through this yarn and snip it, and we can just pull onto this tail. This will just lock the stitch there. We can now neaten our swatch out. We can just thread this particular needle or broad-eye needle and weave the ends into our work. This will then neaten up our swatch. I'm just going to finish that and I'll come back. I've woven the tail ends over here and over here. I'm just now going to snip this out, the extra ends. So this is what our triple crochet looks like. This is the bottom part of the swatch and top part. So on both ends we have the chain reflecting. So if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel from the link below, and click onto the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care for now. Bye bye.